A variable is a named memory location that stores a value. You can use variables to read, access, and manipulate data throughout your script. If I type x is equal to 5 into my bash terminal, it means that x automatically becomes a number. So the value 5 is saved inside the variable x. So this implies that variables are like containers for storing values. Just imagine a box where you are putting items. The box is holding whatever item you put into it. Now, if I change the value of x to Pakistan, so it means x is now a text, no longer a number. When I write x is equal to 5, x becomes a number. When I write x is equal to Pakistan, it means x becomes a text or string. In Bash, there are no strict data types, unlike other programming languages where you have numbers, you have string, you have characters. But in Bash, whatever you put into the box is what the box becomes. Now, in the expression on the screen, how do we access the value of x? We can access the value of x through what is known as variable expansion. Variable expansion is the process of replacing a variable name with its actual value. In Bash, we use the $sign, which is the parameter expansion symbol, to access the value of a variable. In the example on the screen, we are using the echo command together with the $sign to print out the value of x. Similarly, we are doing the same thing for y is equal to Pakistan. We use the echo command together with $sign to print out the value of y, to print Pakistan to the screen. The read command enables us to read the user's input and store in a variable. So the syntax is read space variable name. So whenever you run that, what will happen is that an interactive surface will open for you to type. So whatever you type will be saved inside the variable. Like in that case, our variable is z. So we can read what has been saved into the variable z by using the $sign together with the echo command. So this will print out the value of z, which is what we initially typed using the read command. Now let's write a script to demonstrate this. Open a file named printname.sh using your nanotext editor. The first line is called the shebang, which defines the absolute path to the interpreter. The next line prints out the text, what is your name. In the next line we use the read command to save the user input into a variable named entered name. Finally, on the last line, we use the echo command to print welcome to zeros before euros on a new line. The -e option together with echo command allows us to do that. So we're using the new line escape sequence. That's why you can see before the write of zeros before euros. Next, we used the variable expansion symbol to get the value of entered name. Close the tab and give the execute permission. When you run it, the surface opens, as you can see on the screen, and once you press enter, it displays the text Welcome to Zeros Before Heroes, Master Joe, as we stated in the script. See you in the next video.